So I thought I would go through a little bit of navigation for Blackboard. So I'm logged into our summer session for Business 301, Business Analytics. And, when you get in, the first thing you should do is start somewhere. So where do you think you should start? Well, hopefully you say start here syllabus. So if I click on that, I have the syllabus, a course expectations document, information about purchasing the textbook. So if I click on that, it takes you to where you can purchase the textbook, right? It costs 35, anywhere between these amounts that you can pay or more if you want, right? It's a lot cheaper than the $200 from the publisher. So that's where you purchase the book. Also, make sure that you have a working copy of Microsoft Excel 2016 because we are using it extensively. As a USM student, you can get the entire Microsoft Office suite for free for your personal use computer. So go to this page here and it tells you how to do it. So, here's the syllabus. This is the one that will always be overridden. There's another video already out there that looks at the syllabus, right? It has all this stuff, right? Policies are pretty much boilerplate stuff. Academic integrity, course repeat, student responsibilities. Attendance is required and will be recorded, right? Again, we're using the learning assistant model for this class, so you need to show up. Exams are timed at 5 hours. Excel assignments and quizzes you can do twice, right? And then when you come to class, you should turn your phones off, but bring a laptop with you. You definitely need a laptop. And then here's the outline for the course, the schedule, right? So the first thing that's going to happen is on Tuesday, May 22nd, you have your acquaintance quiz due, right? Then the first real quiz on May 25th. First Excel assignment on May 25th also. So let's go look and see where we might find those things. So quizzes are going to be underneath quizzes. Right now I have 2 out there at the time of me making this video. The acquaintance quiz, you can take it twice with the highest grade counting, right? It's due Tuesday, May 22nd. First quiz, due Friday, May 25th. You can take it twice. Excel assignments, right here. First Excel assignment is due May 25th. Click on it. Here's the Excel assignment itself. Here is the data file that you will be using. So the Excel assignment, right, you can take twice, up to 2 times. And then for exams, I've already got the folders out here for each of these, telling you what days they're on, all that stuff. Right now, when I click into an exam 1 folder, there's nothing here. What will happen is when the first exam happens on Friday, June 1st at 12:01, when you click in here, AM, you will see the exam here, and you'll click in it and start the exam. So I'm going to go back to start here syllabus. There's also this expectations document that you should read very, very carefully, right? Because this is what I'm expecting of you. So we'll be meeting 6 times during the course. I'm not going to be lecturing. I might give mini micro lectures, and then we're going to get in an active learning classroom, have a learning assistant who's an undergrad who's taken this course before and done very well in the course, walk around and help groups out. All right, we're covering the same exact material as we do in a 14-week session, so that means it's just going to be faster. You should dedicate at least 15 hours a week for this course. If you do that, you should be able to be successful. We're not meeting July 4th, which is that last Wednesday. We're using the learning assistant model. So again, click on that and look at what that looks like for you. Communication, you should start your emails that you're in Business 301 summer session, because I do teach other courses, and then what it is you're going to have a question about. So quiz 1 question. So it indicates to me that you're in my summer section of Business 301 and you have a specific question about quiz 1. Also address me as Professor Dean. My goal is to respond within 2 business days of when it was received, and usually I'm able to meet that goal. Assignments, quizzes, and exams are individual endeavors. You should to seek an assistance from another human being other than me or the Learning Assistant, then that's just bad. Software, we're using Excel 2016, and you should have it installed. The two add-ins that we're using that are not standard but come with everything else is the Data Analysis Toolpack. We'll use that for regression, and Solver, we'll use that for the linear programming. Course topics in this do start out very, very deceptively simple, but become complex very, very quickly. So you should stay on top of the material. I'm just warning you now. Exams, they'll be timed at 5 hours. You have that 24-hour block to do them in. Right, so that's expectations. Then materials, if we go here, I'm breaking things out by unit. So unit 1 is preliminaries. So right now, this video will be here, Blackboard setup and navigation. Here's a document you should read. Here's the data files that go along with this document. Here is a video about if and some product functions in Excel, which we will use extensively towards the last 2/3 of the course. Here's the Excel file for that video. Here are the slides for Unit 1, which include the syllabus overview as well as a minimal refresher on Excel basics. And here's a nice little keyboard shortcut for Excel for both a Windows and a Mac. There's different tabs for that. So that's how you get around in Blackboard, relatively easy. And as I add more material to show up under materials, as I add more quizzes, they will come out under quizzes. Same with Excel assignments, right? So that should do it.